Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of the Rocket Diaries with me, Sam Cottle, the stand-up comedian, writer, general philosopher and scientist type, and now rocket engineer myself. Yes. Welcome to this episode of the Rocket Diaries. I will be talking today about the extension to Project Lavalstream at Lavalstream 3 and what I want that to be. I want it to be a fusion reactor in space, or a test for a fusion device in space, which I think if we get it right, and I think space is the perfect environment for nuclear fusion, then we could potentially provide this planet with limitless free energy. And since we have wars, for instance, in Ukraine going on at the moment, there could not really be a better time to be thinking about doing this sort of thing, thinking about not, got Musk's Starship coming online. We've got the new rocket from Boeing, the Space Launch System. I think we should be thinking about this sort of stuff and thinking about launching far larger machines into space and conducting far more experiments in space, far larger experiments, and seeing crucially if we can use space for anything like energy, which in a variety of ways we know we can. If we can get fusion to work in space, there's a huge amount of tritium out in our solar system in the form of deposits. There may also be other things out there. There may be uranium, for instance, out there in quite large quantities, for instance, in the asteroid belt. There's Titan that has huge reserves of natural gas, i.e. methane, has enormous methane reserves. So, there's an abundance of hydrocarbon and nuclear fissile riches, potentially, or fusionable riches in the solar system at the moment. So we need to go out there and start looking for it, I think. And Lavalstream 3 will be a project to launch a team of astronauts to conduct an experiment on an unhoused nuclear fusion reaction in space and try and equip space with a small space station harboring a fusion reactor. So that's where I'd like it to end up. That's the sort of the not the end goal of the project, since there may be a Lavalstream 4 and 5, but I would like it to be a major point of the project, doing this fusion reaction in space. So yes, thank you for watching. And this is obviously how it connects to all my physics and cosmology work as well. It's grown out of that, this ambition, I think. So yeah, that's where I'd like to see private space exploration go. If fusion energy companies can be enticed into working with me on this, maybe it'd be a very, very good thing, a very, very profitable thing also. And if it comes off, it'd certainly be very profitable. It'd be a trillion or quadrillion dollar idea, but that remains to be seen, or we will know eventually, I think. So there we go. Bye everybody, I love you lots, see you soon.